What's up everyone, it's your girl Christina. So today is a different video. I'm gonna try to make a fried chicken, how can I say this? Fried chicken Alfredo sandwich. Yeah, Alfredo fried chicken sandwich. Boom, that's it, that's the title. Because I'm trying to be healthy. I'm gonna put this in the air fryer, okay? 375 for about 20 minutes and just flip it over, okay? I'm just gonna dump it in there. Woo! Man, these are going bad. I'm going to cook spinach, okay? Let's go cook some spinach. So as you can see, this one going a little bit bad, as you can see. But guess what? YOLO. So let's go. Come here. Don't be lazy. Come here. Come on. So this is my stove. Welcome. You see this stove right here? We're about to throw this away. It gets too hot, even though we have it in low. It's a mess. So don't get Simpsons. Let me let you know. Don't get it. Get a saucepan. Fill it with water. About a handful. Don't be shy. Put it in there. I'm gonna add a little bit more, making sure they're looking decent. Oh my god, it's a lot. Don't worry, it's not a lot. It will be very small later on. Just wait. I have French bread, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this in half. Right now, I'm gonna turn on the panini so we can make some garlic bread. And I'm gonna open it up just like that. Careful. This part right here, take some of it off, please. Since we're making garlic bread, I don't have butter, but I'm gonna use mayo. Same thing. I guess maybe a tablespoon and a half. Dump it in there. It's in the fridge. Of course, we need garlic, so I'm gonna add a lot in there. Italian seasoning. Hello, Italian style shredded cheese. So this has mozzarella, provolone cheese. Woo, I love provolone cheese. And Romano and then Parmesan cheese and Asiago cheese. Mix it well, mix it well. And this is how it's supposed to look. Now, I'm gonna put it in here. Yes, yes. And the other one too. So this is how it looks. This is going into the panini. The spinach is done. So I'm gonna strain this. And make sure you squeeze all the water out, okay? Make sure. I'm gonna use some cooking spray because we're gonna cook. Well, the spinach is already cooked, but we're just trying to add some seasoning to it, you know? So, yeah. Look how little. That's all we got. That's all we got. I'm gonna put in there salt. Come on. Wait, no, this is black pepper. A little bit black pepper, salt. And this is just for the spinach, okay? Hello? Ashley, spinach, okay? Ajo, garlic, okay? Boom, that's it. And then saute that for a couple minutes, maybe a minute or two, and that's it. Look at that. Look at that. It smells so good too. And spinach is good for you too. Yes, yes. You see that? You see that? That's color, honey. That's seasoning. 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 Here we go. Anyway, here's the other one. Looking great. Looking delicioso. Time to make the sandwich. Super easy. We have right here Alfredo, oh my goodness, sauce, okay? Going first on the bottom, boom. Mustard cheese going in. Milk that cheese, babe. Woo, on finger. Spinach, right on top. More Alfredo sauce on the other bun. Hello, duh. And then top it off. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Dipping sauce. Alfredo sauce, yeah. Ooh, and you know you jelly. You know you jelly. Ooh, buen provecho. That chicken tender, fire. 10 out of 10. Like this video, share with your friends, and I will see you. Oh, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.